Hi guys, in this video we'll be implementing AI agents with the help of LangChain. So before starting with actual agentic AI framework, first of all I want to show you how we can implement these kinds of AI agents with the help of LangChain, because LangChain is also having some functionality. With the help of that you can easily create these kinds of AI agents. But whenever I'm talking about any agentic AI framework like Crew AI, then LangGraph, then we also have something called LangFlow. Okay, then there are some more tools are also available in the market, so this will help you to build your application in the easiest way, because it has all the functionality integrated with that. Okay, you don't need to write the code from scratch. So first of all, let's try to see how we can implement with the help of LangChain. Then I will also show you how we can use these are the framework for implementing our agentic AI project. Okay, so I already prepared one notebook, so inside that I'll show you some of the demo how it can be done. So after that I think definitely your confusion would be clear. So how to set up this project, guys? This project will be available in your resources section. From there you can download and you can set up with me. So to set up the project, guys, first of all open up your terminal. Okay, and you have to create one environment here. So how to create the environment? Just write conda create. Okay, conda create -n. Then you can give the name of the environment. Let's say I'll give agent demo. Okay, then you can specify the Python. Let's say I want to use Python is equal to 3.11. Okay, then -y. So this command you have to execute. So whenever you will execute, it will create one environment for you. So for me, I already have the environment, so let me activate. So to activate the environment, just write conda activate. Okay, agent demo. See guys, I already activated my environment. Now the next thing, you have to install this particular requirement.txt. Inside requirements, I have mentioned all of the requirements. Okay, you need to run this project. So here, just write pip install. Okay, -r requirement.txt. So if I execute, so it will install all the requirement. So for me, it is already satisfied because I already installed previously. Now the next thing, you just need to open up this agents underscore demo.ipynb file. Okay, and make sure you select your kernel here. So for me, I already selected my environment. Now first of all, let's import the LangChain, and if you see, this is the LangChain version actually I'm using here. Now first of all, you have to import some library. Okay, the library actually you need to build your agents. Now you can see I'm importing actually agents, that means initialize agents and tool from the LangChain itself. Then I'm also using one large language model. Okay, that means we'll be using OpenAI large language model, that means GPT model will be using. And for this you need to get the OpenAI API key. So here I created another file called .env. Inside that I mentioned my OpenAI API key. So here you can see this is my key. So just try to replace your API key here, guys. I'm not going to share my API key. Just try to create one API key and try to paste it here. Then after that, here you can see I'm importing this .env, because with the help of .env we'll try to load this env file and we'll try to load our credential. Then operating system, because I want to get it as an environment variable. Okay, now let me import all of them. Now this particular code will load your OpenAI API key from the .env file itself. So let me load it. Now here is the agent demo, guys. So here you can see, first of all I'm initializing one tool. And what is tool? Tools is nothing but tools will help you. Let's say whenever you are asking something to the agents, first of all it will check whether this question is available, okay, to the knowledge base or not. Let's say it is using GPT model, right? Let's say GPT 3.5 turbo model it is using. First of all, let's say you have asked one question, tell me about latest movie, okay, in 2025. And I think you know that all the model has their knowledge cutoff. That means GPT 3.5 turbo has been trained till 2021. Okay, October I think they trained the model. But after 2021, whatever let's information we have, it doesn't know. So first of all, it will check whether this information is available in the knowledge base or not. If it is not available, then what it will do, it will use some search tool. Okay, so this DuckDuckGo is a search tool. Okay, so it will search over the internet and it will get the latest information about your question, and it will pass to the LLM, and LLM will try to summarize and refine, and LLM will try to provide you the answer. Okay, so this is the work of agents. So here I'm using one tool called DuckDuckGo. Okay, if you want to learn more about the DuckDuckGo, just go to the documentation of DuckDuckGo, and from there you can get it. So here I'm initializing the tool. So tool name is DuckDuckGo search, and you have to create a function and you have to specify the description. Then you have to initialize the LLM, and here we are creating the tool. That means tool wise I'm using this search tool, that means DuckDuckGo. Now here we are initializing the agents. So inside that I'm passing the tool, I'm passing the LLM and the agents. So here I'm telling it should be a zero shot react description. Okay, and verbose is equal to true, that means it will print all the execution in my console. Now here finally I'm executing my agents with the help of run function, and here is the let's say question I'm asking, what are the latest top rating movies in 2025? So definitely this information is not available inside my model, because the model actually I'm using, it is trained till 2021. So what it will do, it will use DuckDuckGo to perform the search operation over the internet, and it will give you the response. Okay, so let me execute and let me show you. See, if I execute this agents, see, it is entering into the agents executor chain. That means it is using DuckDuckGo. So guys, you can see after execution, here is the answer I got. So the top ranking movies in 2025, sir: Better Man, Captain America, Brave New World, and Wicked. Okay, for good, among others. So that means now how it is able to get the latest information, because it is using the search tool. It is first of all searching over the internet, and that response it is passing to the LLM, and LLM is actually processing, and it is giving you the refined answer. So that's actually your agent's work. Okay, so it needs a tool, so that tool can like perform the search operation in real time. So this is just a single agents demo. Later on I will also show you how we can create the multi agents. That means one agents will pass the task to another agents, and it will try to perform that jobs. Okay, now let's see another demo. So we'll show you the Wikipedia search. Let's say instead of using any search tool, you can also use Wikipedia search, okay, to perform the search operation. So here I'm importing this Wikipedia API wrapper, and now here I'm creating the Wikipedia search tool. You can see, then initializing the model, and now tool is equal to my Wikipedia search tool. And here I'm asking, who is Elon Musk? Tell me the latest news of him. Now if I execute, so here is the response you got. Elon Musk is the billionaire businessman and political figure known his role in Tesla, and so on. Okay, so see, it is able to give me the response. Now, if you want, you can also create a SQLite database agents. Let's say you have one SQLite database. Now you want to perform some query on top of that. Okay, without using any SQL commands, you can also create agents on top of it. Okay, first of all, you have to connect that database. So this will create actually a table. Inside that, it will actually store some data. After that, it will close the connection. So let's create the data. Now I will import my SQL database and SQL database toolkit. Now here I'm creating the agent. So first of all, let's load that database, then initializing the OpenAI model and SQLite database toolkit. So DB and LLM here I'm providing, and this is going to be my tool. Now here let's execute. So how many units of product A are in the stock? Now if I ask this question, so see, it is automatically like performing that SQL operation, and it is finding that answer. Okay, so here final answer, 150 units of product A are in the stock. I hope you got it. If you want, you can also use archive query run. So I think you know archive is a website, it has all the research paper. So you can also create one agents on top of that. So here I'm importing all the necessary library, and here I'm importing archive query run. So here is the tool I have created, archive query run, and this is the tool. So let's me show you. So see, this is the model, and here is the tool, and again I'm creating the agents, and here we're doing the search operation. Search for a research paper on object detection in 2024. That's this is my question. So it will automatically search the paper for the object detection, and it will show me. See, it is getting lots of publication, and after searching on archive, I found 3 relevant research paper for object detection. So title is towards reflected object detection, okay, benchmark by see, this is the author, and apart from that, some more paper title is there. Okay, great, it's working fine. You can also create a file agent. So okay, let's say you have a file, txt file or any other file. Here also you can create an agent. So let me import some like library. Now here I'm creating the tool. So here I'm telling I need to use a file for the like agent. So that's why I'm creating read file tool. And on initializing the model, this is the tool, and here I'm initializing the agents. Now here I'm asking one question, read the content of the file name. That means that's in the file I have some content, and first of all it will load and it will summarize that content for me. Okay, so let me show you. So the content we have in the file related my YouTube channel. So the content of the file, example txt about data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and so on. Okay, that means if you read that content, okay, you'll see that. So this is the summary of that content. So this is the basics, let's say, agents demo, and we can create with the help of LangChain, simple LangChain only. Now going forward, we'll also see how we can use some amazing framework to create these kinds of agentic AI application. Even I will also show you how we can create the multi agents application as well. So yes guys, this is all about, and please try to execute the code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.